Have you ever wondered how to practice yoga vinyasa flows when sun salutations are a challenge for you? You often see a lot of sun salutations, Surya Namaskar, and their variations A, B, or C series in vinyasa flow classes. In today's video, we'll show you how to do a standing sun salutation using a chair. Hi everyone, it's Genene, and today I have modifications that you can do for the beautiful Sun Salutation A series. Grab a chair and we'll get started. I have Tom here with me to help me out. If you're going to do Sun Salutation without any modification, then Tom's the person that you're going to follow. I'll be doing all the modifications. If your chair is not sturdy, you can put this chair against a wall instead. We'll start with the hands at the chair back. So from here, if you have balance issues, keep your hands on the chair, at least one. And then inhale, reach your arms up to the sky. And then exhale, bow. And for you, it looks like this. You step back and it's like a 90-degree. And then inhale up halfway if you're doing Tom, otherwise just stay here. Exhale, bow. Now inhale, plank. So you're going to shift your weight forward so that you're like a plank of wood, like this. And then Tom's going to do vinyasa. So chaturanga, cobra, and we're going to come onto the tops of our feet or not. Just shift your weight forward, lift your chest, maybe your hips get onto the front of the chair seat, and then you're exhaling back to this, for you, your downward facing dog position, and you're hanging out. So you're bent 90 degrees, but your sitting bones are still lifting because your pelvis is still turning forward, where the top rim is turning forward. And you're breathing deep and free. And now walk yourself forward. And maybe you inhale your arms overhead. Maybe you just do one arm. And then exhale, hands down to your chair back. You can do the same thing with the chair seat. So I'll do that now while Tom does the regular. Inhale, reach your arms overhead. Exhale, bow, hands to the chair seat. So see here, you can go a little bit deeper. You can even bend your arms at the elbows. Top of head can come down onto the chair seat maybe. Play with it. Inhale, come up halfway. So here you can do this Ardha Uttanasana. And then exhale, bow. Inhale into plank. A little bit more intense than before. And then exhale, either chaturanga. You can bend at the elbows here or keep the elbows straight. Come onto the tops of the feet or not. And then shift the hips forward. Lift your sternum bone high to the sky. And then exhale, downward facing dog. And now you'll be deeper than 90 degrees, so a little bit more intense. This is always where we pause purposely, checking in, gathering, getting quiet after all the vigorous activity of this sun salutation. And then walk or jump your feet forward. Inhale up halfway. Exhale, bow Uttanasana. And then inhale with the neutral spine, come up to stand. And then exhale, hands in front of your heart. And release your arms down by your side. Which of these versions worked best for you? Do you have any questions about them? Let me know in the comments below, and be sure to like this video and subscribe for more yoga tips and tricks. Thanks for joining me. Namaste.